guys, welcome to my channel. This is my new car. It's a 91 1HDT 80 series. I scored it off a neighbour. It's been sitting in his backyard for about 6 months. Runs perfectly, has had an engine rebuild about 2 years ago, so it's got about 400 on the body and 140,000 on the engine itself. So your 4.2 turbo diesel Land Cruiser engine. But today we're going to be installing a bar on it. So yeah. So this is our bar here. I picked it off a guy local to me for 150 bucks. It's a bit bent, it's a bit rusted, but it's going to do the job to get the car registered. So yeah, today we're going to be installing that. As you can see here, the factory one's a bit bent, but it's all pretty simple. All we have to do is get in and take those bolts out under there, and then put the new one on. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's a bit worse for wear under there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some epoxy enamel to give it a good coat. I've already patched up around here because it was a bit rusted, and on the back sides there. So these are the indicators that came with it. They're Nava ones. They're not the best fit, but they're going to do the job. So I'm going to bolt those in, and then I'll splice them in when we get it on. So as you can see, I've just run 10mm bolts through under the back there. I'll touch those up with a bit of paint. Just got to do the same on the other side. Alrighty, so now we're going to start taking off this stock bumper to put the new one on. So let's see how that goes. Alrighty, so we've got the bar off now. Now what I'm going to do is take off these indicators so I can get to the wiring behind here, so I can run some positive and negative wire to the other indicators so they work together. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have just spliced in a wire to this indicator that runs down there, out, ready for the bar. Now to just repeat on the other side. guys, so we're all ready to put the bar on. I've just got all the bolts ready. It's so simple to put on. You just slide it in, put the side bolts in, and then the one through the top on there, and then I'll obviously wire up the lights. So let's get that on. Definitely recommend you should have a hand, but I don't have anyone to help me today, so I'm just gonna struggle. Alright guys, so the bar is on. Looks pretty good. Now we've just got to wire up those remaining indicators, and then we're sweet to go. Alrighty guys, well there you go. There's a new bull bar on the 80. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more content. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff to get this roadworthy. We need new windscreens, new seats, new mirrors, so a lot more modifications to come. Then obviously we'll lift it, bigger tyres, all the work. So stay tuned. Thanks guys, have a good day.